still pretty optimistic I'm gonna get that 300 today. Cody's recovering from his sickness. He might have enough strength to throw the ball down.
It's my first day out of the house since I was diagnosed with the flu. I finally feel like I got my pep back in my step, except for my left leg. There's not a whole lot of pep in my left leg. I don't know why, but we're gonna go to the chiropractor and figure that out. And Luke is gonna go too.
Another chiropractic adventure.
We're gonna talk today about shooting a commercial for him. So hopefully that goes well. Hopefully we don't get shot down in this vlog. But yeah, come bowl with us and then go to the chiropractor with us. We love you. It's all on you. First go.
There it is.
Believe in you.
Oh!
Hey. Nice.
You got anything to say to the fans? All right.
Check this slick trick shot. So good.
It's a warm-up game.
Yeah.
That's the ball game.
Today I learned that I suck at bowling.
Did you wash your hands?
Nope.
I wonder why you got sick. I washed mine.
Okay, so we're back at True Health Chiropractic in O'Fallon, and today Luke is going to get an adjustment. He had a bad experience with a chiropractor quite a few months ago, and he's still got like a pinch in his back that wasn't there before he went to see the other chiropractor. So we're going to see if Brandon can fix that today, and also we're going to be talking to him about hopefully shooting a commercial for their new place. They're getting ready to move locations, so hoping to drive some traffic in that direction. We'll see you inside.
Is that tender when I push on it?
That's not too bad, no.
Too bad. Let's do this. I'm going to put pressure. I want you to turn your head left for me.
Okay.
Go ahead and turn. And now look down at your armpit. Feel it pull on it a little bit. Is that okay?
That's good.
Okay. Doesn't bother it though.
Mm-mm.
Okay, look straight ahead again. And now left again. And down. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, look straight ahead. Sit up as straight as you can. There we go. Does that hurt it more when I do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want to kind of lean on your head and let me know if you feel it in your neck or in that spot too. Okay. Should just feel pressure on where my hands are at. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I lift up on you, that's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Turning the head left or right, does that bother it at all?
No. It's just...
Mm-hmm. Just
maybe, yeah, maybe if I like go over on the side of it, then it might hurt.
Then it kind of kinks a little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, there's a big knot there. So Okay. Why don't you lay your stomach? Glasses off for me.
Okay.
Yeah, you're kind of stiff as a board right here, man. So what's your first? Is it Luke's your middle name?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey Luke. All right. So I was thinking Luke and Lakota. That's the cool brothers' names, right?
Right.
So,
You know, I didn't even know his first name was Jeff until like a year ago.
really?
Yeah, never go by.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is kind of stretch you out here, down here too, all right? How you doing there?
It's good.
Kind of feels weird, right?
It does.
It's kind of a good hurt sometimes too, though. So what it's doing is opening up your joints here, takes pressure off your discs. It's just like basically a decompression for your spine, so we're just pulling it apart a little bit. This is my favorite thing from back, so I do it for everybody. All right, so here I'm just going to kind of lean on you, all right?
Okay.
I don't try to force things, I'm just going to kind of lean, see how things go. Okay, it might pop though, all right? So we're just kind of relax a little bit. You okay?
Yep.
Same things with me. Yeah, okay. It's pretty tight there. All right, so lay on your side. You're going to face me a little bit towards the door. Like that.
Okay.
I'm going to kind of rotate your hips. Kind of lean on you. Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
Do the other side too, all right? Push. There we go. On your back. You okay?
I'm good.
All right. And slide down a little bit here. There we go. And hug yourself here.
Okay.
Just keep that tight, all right? I'll kind of push on you. Take a breath in. Let it out, relax everything. There we go. Is that okay?
Good.
Okay. Relax your arms. Hopefully that was easier than the last time. Just relax your arms. Okay. So push on you here a little bit. And just try to let the head drop a little bit. There we go. Good. Good. You okay?
That was good.
That was
Better
good.
than the last one?
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Sometimes you feel like you get beat up at these things, you know. So
He got quiet whenever we walked in here, so I knew that he was nervous.
it says chiropractic on top. Oh no.
Yeah. So what made you decide to become a chiropractor?
Well, my bachelor's degree is in sports medicine,
Okay.
so it was a good adjunct. And I had a friend that was already in school over here at Logan. And he said, "You need to come take a look at this." I didn't know much about it before I started school, actually. I just kind of researched a little bit. And, I was adjusted after I started school, actually. So I didn't even have my first adjustment until after I started. And it was by a student, which they're not, you know, when you're starting out, you're not very good at it. So, so I stayed in it, actually. But yeah, I really like taking care of people without drugs or surgery if we can avoid it. And just try to get the body moving better, functioning better, and let it kind of take care of itself, you know. How's that feel? You right, Lakota?
Oh, yeah.
How small the process is actually happening makes such a big difference. Like this with the adjustments, how the neurotransmitters change. What it's doing, it goes from having glutamate influx into the body that produces pain and soreness, and when you adjust somebody, it produces GABA, which is a muscle relaxant, and so it changes.
Really?
the flow. Yeah. So that's why it feels good to get adjusted, or it should feel good. So after this, we'll get some therapy on your spasm here. Okay. That was pop before I push on. Nice. Oh.
So how was this experience, Luke? Was it better than the last one?
I don't know. It gets everything like worked up. You feel good leaving the chiropractor.
And the good news is he wants us to get in touch about doing the commercial. So that's a win for us. Hopefully.
Win-win.
As long as we make a decent commercial.
It's also a lose for us because last time they used a professional studio and we are not there yet, but wait, we out here.
I highly doubt it was a professional. It was O'Fallon News.
The most legit news company ever.
Well, we're going to be heading back home now, so please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, we've been on 270 for like about an hour. About an hour. We'd normally be nearly home, but that's not the case. How do you feel about that, Luke?
Well, I feel like we need to think about the timing more so. It's a self-inflicted.
I gotta pee so bad.
Can't even go an hour and a half without peeing.
That's the fact that I had to go another hour after this hour and a half that's bugging me.
So yeah, I got the seat leaned back. I've just been watching cop videos for like an hour. Facebook has a lot of cop videos on there. A lot of cops shooting people. I watched a lot of people die on this drive. We're almost on 55. That's such good news. About to speed up from 40.